world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
Bonjour! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will share with you my gastronomic and unique cinematic dining experience featuring the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef. You can have this immersive culinary journey at Grand Hyatt's Veranda room that is located at their 60th floor, which is also known as the Peak. Make sure to arrive an hour or at least 30 minutes before your scheduled seating because the dinner starts on time. While waiting, you can hang out in the balcony for a sunset session or you can order cocktails before you start your dinner. The Petit Chef is open every Tuesdays to Saturdays with only 2 shows per night. First is 6 to 8 p.m. and the next is 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. The veranda room has a maximum of only 16 seats per show. It is a 2-hour dining adventure with an exquisitely curated 6-course dinner crafted by Chef Mark Hagan, and Le Petit Chef comes to life through a fun and engaging 3D animation right on your dining table. On my plate, you can see a mini rolling pin, hand sanitizer wipe, and face mask holder. Inside this rolling pin is actually the printed menu for tonight. By the way, my sister and I ordered the first class menu, which is priced at 6,800 per person, but there are other options which I shared on the description below. And now, the show is about to begin.
Merci d'être assis avec nous. May I have your attention, please? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for coming tonight for a unique 2-hour gastronomic experience. An immersive culinary journey, the first and only kind in Manila, featuring the world's tiniest chef who flew all the way from Marseille, France to fulfill his dream of cooking for giants like you. So, and on that note, please direct your attention to your table as I present the star of the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to the Le Petit Chef dining experience created by Skull Mapping. Let me give you a couple of tips in order to get the best experience. Please remove your personal items from the tabletop so that Le Petit Chef does not trip as he likes running around. Place your napkins in your lap and make sure your plate is perfectly aligned with the magical circle of light. Now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters, the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
And off we go! Our journey begins in Italy with a simple appetizer to start your meal. Restaurants. But this is no ordinary bouillabaisse. This brings us to the experience of Grand Hyatt Manila's chef de partie, Alexander Pierre Esnault, where he mastered the art of making French bouillabaisse from his hometown in Brittany on the northwest corner of France. So with that said, I'll be back after 15 minutes to announce the next course. In the meantime, focus your attention to your tables once more, because to delight in one of the glories of Provençal cuisine.
For the second course, we had lobster bouillabaisse, which contains Avruga caviar, sea bass, US scallops, mussels, saffron shellfish broth, crouton, and roux. For the third course, we had the smoked chicken foie gras ballotine drizzled with tarragon oil. The mushroom duxelle is underneath the edible leaf, which is made of avocado.
And as I was saying, it's... Oh, sorry. My phone is vibrating. I have to take this call. It must be my mom. Oh, it's Le Petit Chef. Let's see what he wants. Allô, monsieur? Comment ça va? Oh, oui. Hang on. Le Petit Chef is anxious to know how everybody's doing. Are you all enjoying yourselves?
Yes.
Did you hear that? Le Petit Chef, ils ont adoré. Oh, they loved it. Oh, bienvenue. C'est magnifique. Well, you just made Le Petit Chef very happy tonight. Are you ready to see what's next?
Yes.
Yes, because Le Petit Chef is taking us to the land down under. And you'll be happy to know that you'll have 25 delicious minutes to enjoy this next course. So watch this, everyone, and enjoy.
course, we had charred grilled Wagyu beef tenderloin with marble score 6++. And on the side, there's potato galette, broccoli puree, roasted carrots, and sesame seeds.
So for this next course, Le Petit Chef put an Asian twist to the quintessential French dessert, radiating indulgence, refinement, and simplicity. So let's take a short trip through Asia. After 10 minutes, I'll be back to announce our final course. In the meantime, watch this and enjoy.
Bonjour, bienvenue. Eyes from the mighty dragon China. Bon appétit.
I love this dessert, which had a rice pudding at the bottom, sweet berries in the middle, and creme brulee on top. Make sure to scoop all the way to the bottom.
For our final course, can you guess where Le Petit Chef is taking us? It's somewhere really cold. It's Alaska, exactly. This dish has its early versions dating back to the 1800s. It's known by many names like omelette la Norviane, omelette surprise, or glace au four, or who knows what else. Because the origin of the dish has been claimed by many people and has been popularized by many others. Sure, but in the meantime, I invite you to bring out your cameras one more time because you don't want to miss this. This is going to be anybody? A blast! Yes, a blast!
last treat, we had a royal baked Alaska with 22-karat gold leaf on top. Inside it were chocolate and vanilla ice cream, and it is coated with Italian meringue, and on the side are fresh raspberries. Guys, I really love this dessert. It was just perfect to end an awesome meal.
We'd love to have you stay longer. However, there's another group of adventurers waiting to take their culinary journey around the world. So, here is our final video for everyone. Thank you very much for allowing me to be your guide. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. Au revoir, reservoir, repertoire. Here is our final video as a gesture of thanks from Le Petit Chef. And afterwards, please allow our handsome and beautiful staff to escort you out of the hall so we can prepare the tables for our next group of diners. Good night, everyone. Bon nuit. Have a great evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take a moment to check your pockets before you leave to make sure the Petite Chef hasn't tried to come home with you. The time has come to bid you adieu. We hope you have enjoyed Le Petit Chef's dining experience and look forward to seeing you again soon. Adieu et au revoir.
And of course, coffee to cap off this gastronomic experience while enjoying this view. That's it for today. Merci beaucoup for watching.